to the courtyard to have our dinner at the Carrabba's. Carrabba. 50%. All right. So we're gonna do the second bonus night. Did Outback last night. We're gonna hit this place tonight for the 50% bonus discount. We're gonna do the 50% bonus. Oh, there's the calamari. See what you think of it. How is it? It's the Carrabba's pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Sauce. All right, so what is that you have there? One pork chop. That's the pepperoni. So how was your meal? All right, so we're leaving Carrabba's here. Leaving Carrabba's. And we just had a fine dining meal with a 50% bonus off. So the fine dining and the bonus was $39 with the tip. Can't beat that here at Bloomin' Branch.